In this video, we'll be applying an advanced filter to this table. So the first thing we want to do, we want to label our selection criteria, which is color. I want to make sure that it's spelled the same exact way as the criteria that we'll be using to apply the advanced filter to the table. So color is spelled this way, the English way, color. All right. Then my selection criteria for today is red. All right. Now, before you do your advanced filter, there are three main things that you need to consider. So the source, which should be our table here, right? Then our criteria, which is the color red with the title color. Not necessarily the yellow color, but the words color, right? So the yellow part is just to highlight the label for the columns, okay? So the color doesn't have anything to do with it. Then we have to determine ahead of time where we want to place the advanced filter. For our video, I'm going to place it below here, this area here. Okay? So the three things you need to consider before you actually apply the advanced filter again is the source, which in this case is our table here. Then our selection criteria, which in this case is the red color, red. Then the destination, where will we apply the advanced filter, the output, which is right here. All right, so let's go now. What you need to do is just click anywhere in the source data like what I've done here. Good. Then the next step is to make sure that the data tab is selected. The data tab. Then we're going to click advanced here. We're going to select advanced. Now here, remember, we don't have to necessarily select the table because we had clicked in the table. Microsoft Excel picked up the table that we wanted. So here we have the dancing ants indicating that this is our source. All right. Now what you can do, you can check to make sure that your table is selected, right? So if you had a large amount of information on the same spreadsheet, you want to make sure that this is the table that we are using as our source, okay? All right. So the list range, we check that this is the table that we want to be our source, as I said before. Then the next thing we want to do, we want to indicate the range criteria. So what we're going to do, we're going to click this icon here. Then we're going to select the criteria, which is the label color and red, right? Then we press enter, right? And we make sure that the marching ants has selected the label color and the criteria, which is the word red. Okay. Now, remember we said we wanted the information to be, the advanced filter information to be down here, below here. All right, what we're going to do now this area is grayed out. So it says copy to is grayed out. Because what happened, the advanced filter can be applied in place, which is within the table that we selected in the first step, right? So we don't want the advanced filter output to be in this range of cells from A1 through F6. We don't want it in that area for today's video. So what you have to do, you have to select, you have two options. You filter in place or you copy to another location. So we're going to select copy to another location. So once we select the copy to another location, then we're able to indicate where on our spreadsheet we want to copy the output from the advanced filter. So here we're going to click this icon. Then we're going to select anywhere down here that we want. So we want it to start at the cell A9. So I click on it with my mouse. Then I press enter. Then I press OK. And here now we have our advanced filter being applied using the criteria color red. And here it is, red, true, no, it's not the color blue. And we have the miles on the cost and also the red. Again, true is not, no, it is not the color blue. Here we have miles 50 and the cost is $45 and the percentage is $30. So this is how we apply an advanced filter.
Thanks for watching the video and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment and share.